Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 16th June. So this briefing will discuss about cyclonic storm Biparjoy and heat wave condition over different parts of the country and heavy to very heavy rainfall over northeast India. So these are the 3 points, special points. With these points, we will go through our today's daily weather briefing. So this is the status of cyclonic storm Biparjoy. Yesterday, the very severe cyclonic storm crossed Saurashtra and Kutch and adjoining Pakistan coast between Mandvi in Gujarat and Karachi in Pakistan, close to Jakhau port, near latitude 23.28 degree north and longitude 68.56 between 22:30 hours IST and 23:30 hours IST of 15th June, that is yesterday, as a very severe cyclonic storm with maximum sustained wind speed of 115 to 125 kmph, gusting to 140 kmph, and it weakened into a severe cyclonic storm at 23:30 hours IST, that is yesterday night, and over Saurashtra Kutch. It moved east-northeastwards with a speed of 10 kmph during past 3 hours and weakened into a cyclonic storm over the same region, and it was situated around 30 km west-northwest of Bhuj. So this is the observed and forecast track of this cyclonic storm. As regards its forecast, it is likely to move further east-northeastwards and weaken further into a deep depression over Saurashtra and Kutch around evening of today. So this is red color shows the forecast of the cyclonic storm Biparjoy, and black color is this line is the observed track. So this is recent satellite imagery, and this is showing exact location, that is 23.4 degree north and 69.5 degree east, and this is the quadrant wind that is likely to experience over Saurashtra Kutch and adjoining areas of southern parts of Rajasthan. For more detailed cyclone, you can visit our RSMC New Delhi website and also mausam.imd.gov.in. So under the influence of this Biparjoy cyclonic storm, heavy rainfall is expected, that is heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 stations over this Saurashtra and Kutch region, especially Kutch, Patan and Banaskantha region, and this orange color shows the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall over adjoining areas, that is Morbi, Jamnagar and Devbhoomi Dwarka, and yellow color shows the possibility of heavy rainfall, that is of the order of 7 to 12 centimeter over this adjoining districts Sabarkantha, Mehsana and Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Surendranagar, Rajkot and Porbandar regions. So these are the weather warning of heavy rainfall for today, and this is possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 stations over this Banaskantha, and orange color shows Kutch, Patan, Mehsana, the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 stations. And yellow color shows the possibility of heavy rainfall which is over Sabarkantha, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, Surendranagar and Morbi on 17th of June. So this is the possibility of heavy rainfall on 16th and 17th over northern parts of Gujarat. This is the wind warning for Gujarat region, especially northern parts of Gujarat. So you can see that this Kutch, Morbi and Jamnagar, Devbhoomi Dwarka likely to experience today this wind speed of the order of 75 to 85 kmph, gusting to 95 kmph, and this region, this Banaskantha and Sabarkantha, Patan and Mehsana likely to experience 65 to 75 kmph, gusting to 85 kmph wind speed, and the remaining these regions likely to experience strong winds of the order of 35 to 45 kmph today. So this is wind warning and heavy rainfall warning for Gujarat region, especially North Gujarat region, and this is heavy rainfall warning for Rajasthan region. You can see that southwest Rajasthan likely to experience very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall during next 2 days, and thereafter this eastern parts of Rajasthan likely to experience this extremely heavy rainfall on 17th and 18th of June. So this is heavy rainfall warning for Rajasthan. Now let us move to possibility of advance of southwest monsoon. So conditions are favorable for further advance of southwest monsoon over some more parts of southern peninsular India and also adjoining areas of East India. So this blue line shows the advance of monsoon which has been covered and shown by this blue line, and this white portion of this shows that southwest monsoon is still likely to reach over this region. So accordingly, we are telling that during the period of 18 to 21, there are possibility to this move further, this southwest monsoon, this more parts of south and this southern peninsular India, and also parts of eastern parts of the country. So this is the forecast for southwest monsoon. Now let us the fishermen warning. So under the influence of this cyclone storm Biparjoy, this portion northeast Arabian Sea and adjoining Gujarat coast likely to experience fishermen warning today, and thereafter there is no fishermen warning for Gujarat coast. However, this Kerala, Lakshadweep and this Tamil Nadu region likely to experience squally wind, so therefore fishermen warning has been issued for this region, especially Tamil Nadu, Kerala coast during the 5 days. Otherwise, no more specific fishermen warning has been issued for any parts of the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. Now this is observed weather. Yesterday, heavy to very heavy rainfall experienced over Saurashtra and Kutch because of this cyclone storm Biparjoy. 20 centimeter rainfall reported over this Saurashtra and Kutch region yesterday, and heavy rainfall also reported over Gujarat region and southern parts of Rajasthan. And heavy to very heavy rainfall also reported over this sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal, and this region Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. So this is yesterday's heavy rainfall. Now let us move to maximum temperature scenario. This map shows that this portion, eastern parts of the country adjoining central and north peninsular India and also eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh reported maximum temperature more than 40 degrees Celsius, and accordingly heat wave conditions prevailed yesterday mainly over eastern parts of the country adjoining central and north peninsular India, and heat wave also reported over this eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh. So this belt, that east, central, adjoining eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and north peninsular India are experiences heat wave to severe heat wave conditions. Now this is synoptic system. So other than cyclonic storm Biparjoy, we are having one western disturbance as a cyclone circulation in middle tropical levels over Jammu and Kashmir region. There is a north-south trough from sub-Saharan West Bengal to northwest Bay of Bengal in lower tropospheric levels, and in middle levels there is a cyclone circulation over southeast Bay of Bengal. So these are the synoptic systems. Under the influence of these synoptic systems during next 3 days you are likely to experience, as already mentioned, over Gujarat and this Rajasthan region heavy to very heavy rainfall and isolated extremely heavy rainfall as already mentioned. Other than that, this heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to experience over northeast India during next 5 days, and extremely heavy rainfall likely over Assam, especially South Assam and Meghalaya during next 3 days. So this is heavy rainfall warning. Now let us see the heat wave conditions. So heat wave conditions likely to continue over east and adjoining central India during next 4 days, and these parts of north peninsular India likely to experience heat wave to severe heat wave conditions during next 2-3 days, and this eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh also likely to experience heat wave conditions during next 3 days. As regards heavy rainfall warning over rest parts of the country, you can see that this especially this Uttarakhand region likely to experience heavy rainfall on 18th and 19th. Over Uttarakhand similar area, this squall also likely over 18th and 19th over Uttarakhand of the order of 60 to 70 kmph, and hailstorm also likely at 1 or 2 stations on over Uttarakhand on 18th and 19th. Otherwise, most parts of northwest India likely to experience thunderstorm activity including gusty wind during next 4-5 days. South peninsular India also likely to experience thunderstorm activity during next 4-5 days, especially during the period of 18 to this 20. And heavy rainfall also likely over this Tamil Nadu and Kerala during the period of 18 to 20, and this South India, Karnataka and Rayalaseema also likely to experience heavy rainfall on 19, 10, 20. So this is all about today's briefing, and you can stay connected with us different modes of communication like Facebook, Twitter and our website mausam.imd.gov.in. As regards update related to cyclone storm, we are regularly monitoring and updating each 3 hours on our Facebook, Twitter and our website mausam.imd.gov.in, also RSMC New Delhi website. So visit us and stay safe. Thank you. Jai Hind.